Good morning, good morning, good morning, one and all. I went back to CVS and I did a second haul. Me going back to CVS and do a second haul was a blessing in disguise because I got a coffee maker and a blender on clearance, and I'll show you guys at the end of this video how much I paid for both items. So let's start. As you know, what I normally do when I get home on Sundays, I check my CRTs, check and see what deals did I miss, and go back and do a second haul. At my CVS, what they do, if your not your extra bucks, your CRTs expire on Sunday, I know you have at least 2 days after the expiration date for you to use your CRTs. So don't think that because it expires on Sunday, you cannot use it after Sunday. Yes, you can. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how all of this came about. The acts this week, they are, let me pull this up a little. Okay, the acts this week, they are buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy two, you earn a $2 extra buck. The Dove, I'm not sure if the degree is included, but the Dove spray, the Dove deodorant, both men and women, they're buy three, get a $5 extra buck. But I purchased four. The Garnier facial skincare is buy one, get one 40% off. And when you buy two, you get a $5 extra buck. The Nexus is spend, is it 30 or 25, get 10. Let me check on this real quick. Let's see what the Nexus is. Come on, come on, come on. Nexus, Nexus, Nexus. It's spend 30, get 10. What else? Okay, let's come up a little. The Downy, the Tide, this is also a part of a spend 30, get 10. It's different from the Nexus deal. So, on one of my cards, I purchased one of two acts and two of the Garnier facials. I believe it was these two right here. So one of the acts at $5.99, second one at $2.99. The Garnier skincare, that was $6.59. The second one should have been 40% off, with me paying $3.96 for the second one. For some reason, I was charged full price for the second one. Didn't realize it until I got home. And on top of it, that $5 extra but did not print. But no worries, I spoke to the cashier and she told me when I come back there, just bring the receipt and she'll honor the 40% off the second one plus reissue me my $5 extra bucks. So no worries. So on this receipt, it charged me full price for both. So all of that was $22.16. For the Axe, I had a buy one, get one free coupon that expired on the 16th, which was still good to use at my store. The cashier took the max of the coupon off, which was $7.25. Some cashier might take off $5.99, the value of the product, but my cashier took off the value, what the receipt, the coupon says, basically. So after everything, I was left to pay $8.91. I should have gotten back $7. I should have gotten back $5 for the Garnier and $2 for the Axe, but all I got was $2 for the Axe. But if everything rang up the way it should, my outer pocket should have been $6.28 and I got $7 back, making them free plus a money maker. So once I go back and give the receipt to my cashier, she will fix that. And here is that receipt. Sorry about that, guys. The camera fell. So here is that receipt. Axe Garnier. Even though it says, matter of fact, it didn't even show you the 40% off. It did not. So here is it, the $7.25 for the Axe. I had a $2 digital for the Garnier. It glitched. I had $2 off CRT that came off. There's a $5 in coupons, or CRT, not CRT, extra buck. Pay $6.91 out of pocket, and all I got back was the $2 for the Axe. So I'm going to go now into transaction number 2. For transaction number 2, I purchased those 6 Downies. These are actually, I wanted the Tide, but for some reason the Tide is $5.94, the same price, same deal. But when the cashier rang the Tide up, the Tide was ringing up $9 and change. I'm like, the tag is over there, says $5.94. It's here in the ad saying $5.94, but why is it ringing up at $9.97 or $9.94? I don't know what was going on. Maybe with all of those glitches on Sunday, this was just doing something crazy. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to put the Tide back because I don't want you to modify anything, because if you modify the price, my extra books will not print. So I got the Downy instead. These were $5.94. These were ringing up $5.94. Thank you, Jesus. So all 6 of them put me at $35.64. I used $1 off from the P&G. That dropped it down to $29.64. I had a 5 off of 35, Tide, Downy, whatever. So I end up paying $24.64 for all 6, and I got $10 back, making all 6 $14.64. And here is that receipt. Give me 1 second. Here you go. Downy, 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 Downy. There are all the coupons and extra bucks that I used. Pay 64 cents, and I got the $10 back. So let's move right on to transaction number 3. For transaction number 3, I purchased 2 of the Axe deodorant and 2 of those Garnier skincare. Now it took the 40% off. So it says any Garnier facial. So I don't know if one of them, they're both Garnier facial. It should have applied to both of them. So yeah. So okay. So the 2 Axe, one was $5.99, the other was $2.99. The Garnier one was $7.59, the other one was $4.24. So all 5 subtotal $20.82. Again, the $5 max for the Axe came off. Then I had $2 off one Garnier CRT, plus I had a $2 digital that came off. I rolled $7 in extra buck, paid 87 cents out of pocket, and then I got the $5 back for that and the $2 for the Axe, making them both 87 cents. All 4 87 cents. But remember, we have like $1 and change tracking towards beauty for the Garnier. So after beauty, everything should be free. And here is that receipt. Yep, you see this receipt now, it's saying 40% off. The other receipt was not saying 40% off. So I realized something was wrong. So I have to go back and get that fixed, and see I pay 87 cents out of pocket. So let's move on to transaction number 4 and 5, which is exactly the same. So for transaction 4 and 5, I purchased 4 of the Axe, 2 on one receipt, 2 on the next. So both of them, I paid like $1.73 on each receipt, got $2 back. So both transaction end up being free and like a 20-something cents moneymaker. Here is the receipt for number 4. Paid the $173. Come on now. Paid the $173 and I got the $2 back. And here is the other receipt. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Come on, focus. Come on. Okay, there you go. So there's the second one. Paid $173 and got $2 back, making it absolutely free. So now we're gonna go into transaction number 6. So for transaction number 6, I did the Dove and the Axe deal together, and the Nexus. As I said, the Nexus is spend 30, get 10. The Dove is buy 3, get 5, and the Axe buy 1, get 1 50% off, buy 2, get 2. And also the Dove is buy 1, get 1 50% off. So in one transaction, I had 2 Axe, the 2 Dove spray, and the 2 Dove men's deodorant. and the two Nexus. So all of that subtotal $64 and I think 24 cents. With coupons and CRT, that took off like $27 and change. I was left to pay like what, $35 after everything. But I got $10 back for the Nexus. I got $2 for the axe in that transaction. I got $5 for doing the Dove deal. So that's $17 right there. Because of the Nexus deal, I'll be getting a beauty buck. Made that $20. Went to coupons.com, submitted my receipt. I got $2.50 for the Dove. What else did I get? $2.50 for the Dove. I submitted my receipt to Fetch. I got $2 for those Dove, and I got $2 for the, was it the Dove? Yeah, I got $2 for that Dove, and I got $2 for this. So I got $4 back from Fetch. So when you look at it, I got $17 in extra bucks, $3 in beauty buck. That's $20. $2.50 from coupons.com. That's $22.50. $4 from Fetch. That's $26.50. I got $26.50 back after paying $36. So it ended up being like $10 for the four Dove, the two Nexus, and the two Axe. So let me show you guys that receipt. Axe, Dove, Nexus. Damn, these Nexus are expensive. There you go. So let's talk about this coffee maker and this blender. Okay, this is the regular coffee maker. We know we all, move up, start using the Keurig and all of that, but there's a lot of people who still use this, uses this coffee maker. And the regular price for this coffee maker was actually $29.29 at CVS, believe you me. I am not sure what the regular price is going for these, but I guarantee you it's over $20 for this. I end up paying $7.32 for this product. Yes, $7.32 for a coffee maker. This, how you pronounce this? Oyster. I always say oyster as a kid. I don't know why. So it's Oyster, Oyster blender. This is, and I think it also comes with a smoothie cup. Yep, it also comes with a smoothie cup. This was actually, the regular price for this was $36.79 at CVS. Not sure what the regular price they're going for, but I end up paying $9.19 for this. Yes, so I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to flip it around, take the things off there, flip it around and show you guys the barcode to see if this is available at your store. So please hold on. Okay, so this is a barcode for the coffee maker. Let's hold it still so you guys could do a screenshot. Okay, and this is the barcode for the blender. Let's also hold it so you guys could screenshot this. Okay, so going back to CVS to do a second haul was worth it after all. So with that being said, I'm going to sign off for here now. So take care, guys. Check your CVS. Just a lot of times you go to CVS and items you wouldn't even dream of that would be on clearance. It is, because as I said, these products, they weren't marked. I just happened to scan these products. As a matter of fact, I scanned the Mr. Coffee first, and then when I saw that price, I'm like, then I started to scan, and they had only one of the coffee maker, one of the blender, and I started scanning all appliances to see if there was any more freebies, and that's what I got. So again, thank you guys for stopping by. Please share this video. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so when I upload a video, you guys will certainly be notified. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.